Ano, ito tayo kala Pepa, yung si Daddy Pig. Hello. Hi, Mommy Pig. Ay, Mama ka. Pistola. So, pili tayo dito ng kasuotan muna. Me. Ay, huwag na. Okay, Miss Grace. Bunak. Bunak. Bunak naman. You have to make a George! 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 Si George. Pinatay man ako, guys. Pinatay ako ni George. Where is going? Saan ba may kotse? Where is the kotse? Uy, paano makakuha ng kotse ito? Lang. Papa, nangyahapang na sila eh. Wala si Peppa Pig, si George. Pinatay din nila yung isa kong kasama. Because they are so masama. So, masama pa sila. Ano ba kasi magkano dito man? Hala. Pagkabulog po ko na nanay ni George. Okay. Nung mas kong kakakuha? Halayo tayo. So, hello. Welcome. Ikaw. Ito na lang yung tip. Uy, ako na. Oh, wait. Yun o.
Great job. She has a big orchard of apple trees.
Boom. Patay. Uy.
In the fall, she picks baskets and baskets of round, ripe apples. New apples. And what do you see in the tree?
Ano ka dun kasi? Eh. Lah? Ay. Hello?
But she saves the most beautiful ones of all to sell fresh at the market. She loads everything into her truck and drives to the city. She's driving in her truck all day.
Mama.
Annie's apple farm set up for sale in the farmer's market.
So, ano po, my car. So, guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.